Drake, what about the screen? What'd you say?
Look how big this freaking screen is! It's unbelievable! Check out the seatbelt! Look! This is probably the best airplane ride I've probably ever had in my life.
Okay, so this is what's going to get you up to fly the airplane, okay? All right, so you see those pedals? They're way back right now. Those control the rudder in the back. Way in the back, the tall rudder, you know what the rudder is?
Yep.
That yaws the airplane, okay?
See right
that
there.
side stick? Yep. Now see that side stick? Hold that for a second. When you fly, you pull back. So go ahead and pull back a little. That makes the airplane flying. And if you push forward, that makes the aircraft descend, okay? But a big thing to remember is you keep pulling back now. Pull back on the stick. You keep doing that for a while, guess what? The airplane goes down. So don't keep pulling back. That's the lesson to be learned, huh, boys and girls? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is called your primary flight display. This tells us, if we're in the clouds, this tells us everything the airplane's doing, right? Shows our airspeed, shows our altitude, and shows which way we're heading, okay? This is our map display. I can zoom in right to where we're sitting at the airport. Watch. See that?
Yeah.
Gate S16, okay? And if you come over here, these are the thrust levers. You push them forward, you go fast. You pull them back, we go slow.
Yep.
You familiar with the flaps on the wing?
Yeah.
So what the flaps do is they let us go slower for landing. So to go fast, to go high speed, the wing is nice and thin and flat. And when we land, you lower these flaps, and they droop down and we can fly slow. Okay? Does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think?
It's amazing. I mean, I love this technology. It's amazing.
Well, when you get to be older, if you decide to fly airplanes, you'll look back at this technology and you're going to go, boy, is that stuff old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Because if you decide to fly, they're going to come out with some real neat airplanes.
Yeah.
Dry ice. Okay.
What's that keyboard for?
You can just shoot air
Yeah.
and stuff.
Thank you.
What's that keyboard for?
This actually allows us to control certain screens. We can control this screen with the keyboard, and I can also do some text messaging basically. If I want to tell all through the flight, we have a company dispatcher, they call him, that watches the flight on his computer at work. And so he watches it. Sometimes he'll give us information, or we'll ask him some questions, and we can give him a little text message. And we can just, over here, there's many different types, but just a general text message, we would type down here, and he would say, like for instance, sometimes in this route, believe it or not, volcanoes blow up. Do you know about volcanoes?
Yeah.
Right, well they actually blow up, and the ash goes into the air. So we need to be careful not to fly into that. So we could ask him, what about that volcano that blew up? We could like this. And he would say, well,
Just tell them to say hi to Drake.
or yeah, say hi to Drake.
Go ahead, send a message. We'll see what comes back. All right. We'll print it for you. You can keep that.
Flight control. Enter that. Down here. See that? Watch this, Drake. This tells it where to go. And if I don't put anything in there, see that send button right there? It doesn't allow me to click anything. Right? So I'll go over here. I'll put an A in there. And watch. The send button now turns white, so I can actually send the message. All right, we'll see if he gets the joke.
Now, how do you get out of this chair?
There's little mechanical buttons on the side right there.
release it. Actually, in this chair. Feel it?
Yeah.
Right there. See this one that goes sideways right here?
Yeah.
Go ahead and push that back.
All right.
Outstanding.
So what do you think? No steering wheel or anything, huh?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Well, little one over there, right? See the one on the side?
Yeah.
That steers in
Steers on the ground?
Just on the ground. Exactly. It's
Yeah.
what they call it.
Cool.
Steering wheel.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for coming with us.
It's summertime and we're on an A350 heading to Tokyo, Japan, and I have this car that the captain gave me, and I'm in this like cool little suite thing. Check this out. You got the same thing, Dad. And it has this door that closes, but it's locked right now, and we have this thing that just opens. See, look.